Hey guys, we got a unboxing of the STM Australian DUX Plus case for the iPad Pro 11-inch here. I will do another video of putting the iPad in it, but just to give a general rundown, this claims to have 360-degree mil-spec protection, drop protection. It's a very rugged case for your iPad. The reason I liked it comes with a 3-year warranty as well. The reason I like this case is you've got multiple viewing angles, and probably the one benefit over all the other cases is you could actually store your Apple Pencil inside it and it charges all at the same time. A lot of cases out there, it'll keep the pencil in there, but it won't actually attach it to your iPad and charge it while it's in there. So I thought that was a pretty good feature. So let's have a look what you get inside. So you can see on here, there's little tabs on the back to slot that in, and the lid magnetically attaches to the top there. You get a transparent back panel, and it does switch on and off with the cover as well. So you got a magnetic attachment just at the back there. That's that nice transparent back. And then you get this nice velvety sort of material inside, and that can come out. And yeah, that'll be where the Apple Pencil sits and your iPad sits right there. So it'll be nice and easy to just get that pencil out from there, and at least it stays charged on the iPad and you can't lose it. So this comes with your little protection film on the transparent case. And the back. You can see that might get a bit scratched up, but hey. And then that can go in those slots at the back while sliding up, and it magnetically attaches there. So these little tabs just there stop that from falling out. Just get rid of this box. And then once you got the weight of the iPad in there, that'll just sort of sit down a bit. And you can also use it like that, so that you're able to type on the screen. I didn't really want the keyboard case at this stage. See how I just go typing on the screen? So yeah, I'll do another video of putting the iPad into the case with the Apple Pencil. Cheers.